How to activate your account in Oriflame. So you've registered. What happens next? So today I'm walking through one of my team members for the Evolution Tribe on how to activate their account, and we get to start doing the business. We start to order. I'm excited to just walk you through in this journey of Oriflame. If you didn't know, Oriflame just launched in South Africa. We are not even a month, as you know, if you watch this in May 2025, we're less than a month. Whichever time you watch it, we launched on the 2nd of May 2025. Awesome, awesome. So let's get right into it. Okay. Hi, Kutsi, how are you?
Hello, how are you?
I'm good, thank you. So let's walk together. You can share your screen. Let me walk you through on how then you activate your account.
So here we are. Can you see my screen?
Yes, I do see it. Okay, so go to Africa.
Can you still see me?
Yes, I can see you. Yes, awesome. Go to Africa and then go to South Africa. We are so glad South Africa is now there. Go to
Is it there?
South Africa. Yes, it's there. There's Egypt, Morocco, Nigeria, South Africa. Yes. Awesome. Then go to sign in. At the top right, sign in on top right. It says become a member. It says sign in. Yes, ma'am. Okay. So put in your email address that you signed in with. All
Okay.
right. And then you can say forgot password.
Forgot password.
Yes, ma'am.
Continue.
All right. Then let's go and check your email for the temporary password. You can refresh.
Oriflame, recover
Yes.
your password.
Yes, ma'am. All right. So let's write that down. So once you say forgot password, you get your one-time password and then your brand number. That is your brand number there. Okay. So let's go back to Oriflame. Yeah. Put your temporary password there.
Yes.
And then put your new password that you're going to be using. Then can you see there it says lowercase, uppercase, 8 characters and a number. So it needs to have all those. Can you see as you go along, it ticks. Thank you so much. So sign in.
Okay.
Say never. If it's your computer, you can save. And then the conditions, you can read the conditions and understand what Oriflame is about. But for now, you can accept. Okay. Welcome, Kudzi. You've activated your account, and there your sponsor is yours truly, Samugumbi. We are so excited to have you. Woo! Scroll down, Kudzi. Scroll down. Then scroll down again. So that link that is there, that you see, the way it says copy there, that's the link that you now send. You can just even copy. If you press copy there, press the copy and see what it does. There, it has copied. You don't have to copy. You just press copy and you can send it to your team members or people that, your customers as well. Do you know that your customers, you can send the link, they will buy from the store, their goods, their products get delivered to their home without you touching the products. Can you imagine?
Wow.
That is so amazing. And then your bag is empty. So let's shop around a bit. Let's go and find out. So go to the 3 dots on the top left. Those 3 dots on the top left.
Is it here?
Yes.
Wait.
Top, no, yes, those ones. Click there.
Okay.
And then come to, which one do you like? Do you like nutrition, skincare, makeup, fragrance, body, bath, hair? Which one should we start with?
Let's go to makeup.
Makeup. Okay, click makeup. And then
Okay.
click all makeup. Just click all makeup. Up there, all makeup. Okay, I love it. Your Wi-Fi, your internet is very strong. So there you go. You see that there are different prices and the different colors that you can buy. You can buy those. Amazing. You know, I've got the eyeliner and I'm using it. I'm in love with it. Hey, it doesn't even smudge.
Oh.
Okay, so maybe if you try the raspberry,
Which
multi-purpose bowl. Go up.
which one? This
That
one.
one. Yes. Just put the shopping, that shopping cart, like, yeah, there. Then you see on your cart that side, it's now there. And if you go to it, click your cart, let's see. And then you will see the amount, and then you will see the points that it gets. So
Okay.
as a welcome, can you see that on the right side where it says order summary?
Yes.
Can you see the total is 79? The home delivery, because they have to deliver. So you have to order like maybe other things so that the 80 Rand makes sense. And then you get a welcome discount of 15%, Kutsi.
Hey, that's good.
Yes, and it's not only on one. Even if you order other products, they will subtract 15% as a welcome order. And can you see at the top there, top, it says get free shipping for over 150 orders and above.
Okay, I see.
Yes, so if you order for 150 orders and above, you get free shipping. This is how Oriflame works. If you want, you can continue, but let's go back and look at another thing. You know, us ladies, we like shopping. So you can go to those three dots again, three
So
lines,
which eyeliner?
Oh, the eyeliner I got is scroll down. Okay, yeah, I think I got that one. Yes.
Or is it a liquid one or it's a gel? I don't
It's liquid, but it dries very quickly. You can't say it's liquid. And what I like is that it stays the whole day.
Okay,
It
that's
doesn't
good.
even mess up or anything. And then these ones that are saying coming back soon, it means that they are products that we are expecting to get in South Africa. Now I can get paid to put my nail polish, hey, and look good, and I get paid for it. All right, so let's go back to the three lines. Let's see, what else can we explore?
Bath and body.
Bath and body. Let's go. And then all
Bath.
bath and body. Oh, I like the hand cream that I got. You're amazing, Kudzi. Okay. So then I'm using that product, the Milk and Gold Pampering Shower Cream, the second one.
Oh.
It's divine. It's divine. It's amazing. I love
it. How many meals is this?
Oh, click on it. Click on it. Let's see.
Okay. Oh, 250 meals.
250 mils. And then can you see that it gives you all the information that you get? And when you share the product, you earn 13 Rand back from that when somebody else buys it. Can you imagine? For showering, I get paid. You can get that one as well, could you try that one? You can say buy. Yeah.
Let me try.
Then you see? Yes. Oh, that is amazing. That is amazing. So thank you so much, Kudzi, for your time. I'm sure you're going to be exploring all this.
Yes, definitely.
Awesome, awesome. You are so welcome. There you have it, my good people. This is how you get started with your shopping with Oriflame. It's easy, hey? I'll see you on the other side.
Thanks, Samu.